So, the match begins in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off here at qualification match number 119 here on Croft field number 1. On the Red Alliance, we have Load Robotics, who is cycling those artifacts from that ramp, picking them up and launching them in quick succession while their teammate sits in their loading zone to earn them leave points. On the blue side of the field, we have Apex Warriors making use of that far launch zone, while their teammate Techineers did the same from the near. As we enter the driver-controlled period here, we have about a 40-point lead by the Blue Alliance. That is nothing the Red Alliance hasn't seen yet, though. They are going to do their part as they try to collect those artifacts, in no small part by Load Robotics in that far launch zone. Their teammate over here is lining up to Apex Warriors, trying to get to that human player zone, but they are being boxed out by Techineers for the Blue Alliance. Finally, having been able to get to their loading zone, they have collected those artifacts to join the firing fray. Over on this field, though, we are struggling with accuracy at this point in the gameplay, though these teams have seemed to be honing in their craft as the Red Alliance opens that gate once more with under a minute left in match play. On the Blue Alliance side, Apex Warriors has lined up for a shot in sync with their teammates, the Techineers, as they are almost full, have an almost full ramp. Which they have elected to empty with just about 30 seconds left on the clock. These teams have to go as quickly as possible and as accurately as possible to get these ramps full, so they are scored as a part of endgame here. So, doing that for the Red Alliance is Load Robotics as their alliance partner parks, while the Blue Alliance is hoping to get that shared parking as well, as we conclude in 2, 1. That is qualification match number 19.
Red wins 169!